अभी कोल्ड शो जो 11:30 एंड 3:30 में स्टार्ट होने वाला है. We'll go and see the cold show, please. Okay. The room अभी बंद है, देखते हैं. Go ahead.
Folk you can say. Okay. So to make folk, I have hot water. I need hot water. So जैसे मैंने इसको पहले बाहर निकाला था, तो बाहर निकलने समय क्या वाटर. Okay. Now you can see. Okay, here is the music. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Okay. You can see. So you can touch it. This is the artificial folk that we make here. You can touch it, but do not. ये हाथ को अंदर मत दीजिए, okay? तो it becomes solid.
Nice.
You can touch the folk. अगर किसी को सूकर देखना है तो वो यहाँ आकर सूकर देखिए.
Touch and take bath with them. Take bath. It's like a shower.
To do the experiment, I need volunteers. Again.
Go now.
So are you all in schools?
Yes.
So in your school, there is. आ गया तो यहाँ पर आ जाओ. Come
School
here.
bell.
Stand here.
Time to go home.
So स्कूल में बेल देखा, ऐसे बेल देखा, कैसे बजाते देखा, कैसे बजाते? हाथ से नहीं बजाना है. So I am giving you a hammer. With this, you have to ring the bell. Okay? And आप लोगों को you have to listen. The sound is the same sound or not. Okay? ठीक है. ज़्यादा जोर से नहीं, देख कर. Okay. आया? हो गया. साउंड आया? नो.
नहीं आया.
स्कूल में ऐसे साउंड आता है?
नहीं.
नो. अभी आप ट्राई कीजिए. इसके बाद he is not stronger. He is not strong enough. Not. Okay. Do it again. आया?
नहीं आया, नहीं.
Okay, fine. Thank you. आया? अभी
नहीं.
यहाँ पर. तो साउंड नहीं आया.
नहीं आया.
कारण क्या है? What is the reason? Now you tell me what is the material made of? Tell me the material. It is rubber. But the जो हैमर है हमारे पास रिंग करने के लिए, वो किससे बना होता है? आयरन और वुडन हार्ड सॉलिड का होता है ना? तो स्कूल में है वो आयरन का होता है, मेटल का होता है, या फिर वो सॉलिड हार्ड होता है. मतलब वुडन का भी हो सकता है, सॉलिड होना चाहिए. But how can we make? हम कैसे करेंगे? Okay, let's see. So now I am dipping this here again. So how much time it will take? In few seconds. Become stronger than before. है ना? Now you again ring the bell. अभी आया? Repeat it करो. स्कूल में ऐसे बेल बजता है ना? तो पहला का था वो नहीं बजेगा. Again आप कीजिए. हाँ यहाँ पे ठंडा है. हाँ पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा है ना? It will be.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Very good. Your face is mine. Let's see. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Wow.
Welcome to VIP seats. VIP seats.
Real VIP seat, huh? Straight.
Where it goes?
Liquid nitrogen.
It varies. So मान लो और इस आवर हैंड, अगर क्या होगा, मैंने इस लिक्विड को यहाँ पर डीप कर दिया. If I dip this flower, sorry, then what will happen? Let's see. I am dipping in the liquid, but not my hand. So as I say, suppose this is our hand. Then what will happen? What will happen?
Crumbled.
So हमारा अगर in refrigerator. So now here you see I take this liquid in the water to make ice. Okay. So इसे आइस बनने के लिए थोड़े टाइम रख देता हूँ. Now इससे पहले हम एक और एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. So I have a balloon. So मैंने balloon को फुला कर रखा है. So now I am going to dip this balloon. It blasts or it becomes solid.
Solid.
Okay. Let's see what. So I am dipping the balloon. And you can hear the sound like the plastic makes sound. So balloon का एक ऐसा sound आया है. That means what? Balloon solid बन गया या फिर ये फट जाएगा. Now you can see
अरे
what happened.
वो
और ये जो धीरे धीरे अपने क्या हो रहा है, फिर से मतलब अपने ओरिजिनल स्टेट में आ रहा है.
अच्छा.
So ऐसे होने का कारण क्या है? What is the reason behind putting this one in the liquid? So here you can see the shape of the balloon is slightly
Oh.
changing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now यहाँ पर देखिए,
It's coming better.
ये फिर से अपने स्टेट में आ रहा है. So same condition is here. So पहले जो बड़ा बलून में हुआ था, सेम कंडीशन यहाँ पर भी हुआ. इस so ये ऑलरेडी बन गया है. Is our ice.
It just
Is ice or water?
30
Realize.
seconds.
You
Realize.
can touch it and confirm it. Ice or no.
Take. You can cool down yourself.
So now you see ice बनने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा? मान लो
1 मिनट.
क्या है, हम घर में इससे आइस लिक्विड से आइस बना सकते हैं.
हाँ.
To make this experiment. Anyone want to come here? Please come. Okay. Come here. So you see there is a balloon inside the bottle. Okay, so your task is to blow the balloon inside the bottle and show them that you are the strongest among all this. No, you try. Enough. Do you think anyone can blow it? Why? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Anyone know the reason?
Outside pressure is more, no?
You can. Okay, go to your seat. So the reason is inside the bottle there is already filled with air.
Yeah.
So from the outside air will not go inside. Okay. So बाहर से blow the balloon inside the in the liquid. Now see. Can you see?
Yes.
The balloon is blown. So what is the reason? Have milk, sugar and water. Only this liquid. Okay. So in the kettle you can see there is a whistle. So when जब हमारा चाय बन जाएगा तो ये whistle बजेगा. Okay. So now you can see मैंने यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा लिक्विड ले लिया है, लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन, और ये जो ढक्कन है मैंने यहाँ बंद कर दिया। That means what? ये बोलो। Now I have another experiment. The other experiment is with the potatoes. This is potato. I have. मैंने यहाँ पर इसे दे दिया है थोड़े टाइम के लिए, बस इसे। Okay. So it's ready. Our chips is ready. So here you can see, but you cannot eat. Okay, see yourself. टच कर कर देखिए, लेकिन खाना मत, because ये लिक्विड है, and you can see. बच गया, बस 2 सेकंड के अंदर, in few सेकंड। ये क्या है? प्रेशर ज्यादा होने की वजह से क्या हो गया? Going to show you some other experiment.
Do some electricity with this liquid nitrogen. Okay. So I have here 2 LEDs. So I'm going to show you the color of this LED. Just you have to tell me what is this color.
Red.
This is red, right? So I'm going to show you. Initially it's become red. Now it's a little bit yellow, orange.
Yellowish, orange. Yeah.
Okay, I will show you one more color. Deep inside liquid nitrogen, the color of these LEDs are changes, because what happens is these LEDs are
You see the father of Indian country. Chemistry lab. Very nice chemistry department. These acids and bases, pH scale. Let's see what is the pH of water. Let's see. I'm pressing the button now. Oh, it's 2.4. That means it's acidic. This one 7.1. Almost neutral maybe. And this it's 9.1 I can see. So that is basic. So these are the different list of representative values are there. Oh, very nice. The chemistry lab. It's interesting. Fire. Oh, 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 oh. All are burning. Ah, yeah. Outside also space is this. Very nice. ये है National Science Center. Now it has become National Science Center. Children's corner. And oh, awesome. This place is awesome. souvenir shop है. Oh, and all kinds of souvenir is there. Binocular क्या मिलता है क्या? Real वाला?
Binocular का आपका order करना पड़ेगा.
कितना प्राइस होगा? Okay. Yes. Wow. And if we stand here, oh my, with a suit. Oh, wow. So there is a virtual cycle. Virtual cycle. Why it is virtual cycle? It moves. Does it move? No. Kaleidoscope. Color schedule. Zooscope. Is there some image?
Yes, that one is.
Wow, it looks like a horse moving, huh? How did you rotate this? Yes, sir. Oh, with the hand. Okay. Horse, okay.
Down by hand and look at it in space. You'll see a movie. Now rotate it again.
It'll be like a movie. As a drum. Go enter. देखो अपना देश.
Oh, yes.
Whenever press it.
You can stand
Wow.
here.
Can we see ourselves? Like this. All of us. Till like the light goes up. Now move. I think so from behind you can see. All our shadows will be there.
Oh, this one.
What is that? See my hand. Oh, see my hand has come up. This is sinking boat. Rotate the handle. Or it can be creating a whirlpool. Let's sit in this. Let's sit in this and let me try to sit this. This also is, let's say, comfortable or not. Oh, yeah. Very nice place. All kinds of things are there, scientific things, mesmerizing things. How did you move it? Do? Okay, what is this? What do you observe? Turn the knob and release it. Oscillation of pendulum. Okay. Wait, oscillation of pendulum. Oh, very good. Did you press the button? Press the step. Oh, very nice. Hey, hit the ball. What is that? What is going on? When you move the slider, where's the slider?
पूरी तरह से रॉक से बना हुआ है. And in the planet Mercury